everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another challenge video, and in this video we will be testing out and doing the 10 days challenge with these products. These are hair vanish creams by Wow Skin Science. So this one is Wow Skin Science Hair Vanish for Women Hair Retardant Application, this red one, and this one is Wow Skin Science Hair Vanish Sensitive Bikini Zone and Underarm Body Hair Retardant. So there is this another version, that is the third version, that is glow in color, that is meant for men, and I don't have it with me. I really wanted to do the review video for these creams, and I also wanted to test this product, giving you my thoughts regarding these products. So that is how I ended up doing 10 days challenge with this one and 1 week challenge with this one. But we will do the title as a 10 days challenge. Okay, itna to chalta hai. So what is hair vanish cream and what does they mean by saying the word hair retardant? So do not confuse this cream with any hair removal creams out there. These creams' job are not to remove the hair from your body. No. That's not what they do. What they claim and what they do is that after you're done shaving or using any other method of removing the hair from your body, you need to apply these creams to delay the process of hair growth in your body. This is like a post treatment after you're done using hair removal method on your body. Okay, I will explain more about this product in this video. Even in the packet, they have shown the pictures for you that this is your growth cycle and this will happen after 3 weeks of using this product. And this is 100% vegan and cruelty free product. All natural, guys, all natural. So what does this product claims? Lighter sparser hair, if only I can pronounce the word sparser. Hair free results with regular use. So just take a little bit of this cream and massage until it gets absorbed to your skin, and that's how you need to use this cream. So let's begin the challenge, because now I will play all the footage that I have, and in this footage I'm also talking about how I am using these creams and what I feel about this cream, little bit here and there. After that I will give you my final thoughts on these products and basically a mini review and what I feel about this product. So multiple different ways in which you can take care of your unwanted hair and body hair or facial hair. So for my body, that is my legs, hands and underarms, I prefer shaving, and if I've got time I prefer Rika waxing. I'm a hairy person. I have got hair all over my legs, my hands and my underarms. I get pretty thick hair under my arms and on my legs. But for my hand, I will show you the close-up. The growth is there. My skin is pretty sensitive. My hand, they can bear the pressure of any waxing, shaving, but my legs, they are pretty sensitive. Sometimes the parlor lady also go on shock whenever they see my legs, because after shaving I always get those little bumps, but this is usual for me because I have sensitive legs. That's a lot of detail about my hair. This video is all about my hair. I'm so comfortable talking about my hair. I'm human being. It's normal, right guys? So for my legs, I'm going for the Rika waxing, and for my hand I'm going for the razor. So the sensitive one, I will use this all over my legs, and this one I will use all over my hands. For shaving I'm using this razor. So now I'm just going to quickly go and shave my hands. I need my own time to do this. Give me some space. Done shaving my hands. So my hand feels so smooth. It says that you need to apply this over freshly cleared skin, so I'm gonna do that now. Brand new. I haven't opened this yet. Very honest, I'm a bit nervous about this. And I know that if I'm nervous about this product, a lot of you people must be nervous about this product also, that how it works, whether it works or not. Has that papaya smell to it. I don't know how much you need to take, so I'm taking this much. Let's do this. So, oh, it smells so good. That was easy. Honestly, that was so easy. Day 4 of testing out the product, and on my hand the hair has started to show off, but the length is not enough to shave it again, and even the density is not there. I mean, pokey hairs in here, but here it's all clear. Finally going for the waxing appointment, and I will get my hair waxed and get it done finally. Oh Shalini, you have even underarms, guys. I've been there. Okay, I've been there, like uneven underarm, uneven skin tone in underarms, I've been there, but this video is not about that. So today is the day 1 of trying the product that is meant for your sensitive areas and sensitive skin. So yesterday I went to salon to get the waxing done for my underarms and my legs, and if I'm touching my skin like in the upward direction, I can still feel the pokiness of the hair. Taken shower, I haven't applied any cream, no body lotion, no deodorant, no powder as such. Smells just like the other one. So when I'm I'm massaging this, you can see this forms this creamy texture. It says you have to blend it until it is absorbed to your skin, so I will do that. I think absorbed completely, and whatever is left on my hand, I will be applying this all over my legs. I do get little bumps here and there. That is how sensitive my legs are. Day 6 of applying the cream, the situation of my hand is pretty good. I won't say that wow, the hair has vanished completely and this cream is working like a miracle within first week of use. Usually at day 7 or day 8 the hair growth is very intensive, so I had to like get it shaved or waxed or something, but I think it's looking pretty good at day 6. So we'll just quickly apply the cream. Okay, this much. So now let's just apply the sensitive one under my arm. Taken shower and there is nothing on my legs, hands or underarms. So here are my underarms. This is also meant for bikini area. Taking this much amount of cream, what I like to do is like rub my hand and see it kind of spreads evenly, and then I'm just going to massage it under my arms until it is absorbed completely. Also, I've noticed that this cream keeps my underarm hydrated and my underarm smells good. Smell is pretty strong, but it fades away over a period of time. Let's just apply the cream all over my legs. My legs have ingrown hair issue going on. I can still see some redness around my leg, showing you applying the cream in one leg. There is no as such reaction on my legs also, and my legs feel smooth. If you have very dry legs, you can also use this cream. So day 7 for this one and day 3 for this. Taking this much, rubbing this, putting this under my arm and on my legs, which I will do off camera if that is okay with you. Let's put this all over our hand. Everyone, so today is the last day of testing their products, so let's just apply them quickly. And also I think I forgot to tell you in this video, basically I was applying the product after taking shower so that pores थोड़े से open होंगे और this product can penetrate into the pore and do the job with the hair follicle it is supposed to do. So this one underarms and legs and this one on my hand. Every time this happens, okay, so be careful. You can see the creamy texture has spread evenly, and then I like to do this, okay, and then rub it. As I'm using less product and not overdoing it. Okay, now I will apply the product under my arms. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा है ये, so I think this much is enough. So let me just apply this first on my underarms. Whatever is left, I will apply this all over my leg. थोड़ा सा ही apply करना, okay, don't overdo it. What I've understood after using this product again and again every single day, that you really need a clean base and after then you need to apply this product so that it can penetrate deep into the pores, do the job it is supposed to do with the hair follicle. As I said, I'm testing this product, okay, and I wanted this video to be true to you, so I haven't shaved or waxed or anything while doing this video for you. I'm putting the clip of day 1 and the last day right now. So on the right side you can, that's the day we started applying the cream, and today is the day 10 with this cream. You can see the hair has started to show off, but when I'm rubbing my hands like this, I don't feel pokiness, like पोकी नहीं लग रहा है, even though this is the result with the shaving. और shaving में आपको pokiness लगता है. I don't know, ऐसा पहले भी होता था, or maybe it's the magic of the cream. So this was the last day of testing this product. So after using this product 10 days straight, here are a few things that I've noticed. First thing, it's pretty moisturizing on your hands and it is easily blendable. It just get absorbed easily. And by pretty moisturizing, I mean it's very hydrating. Little goes a long way for this product. So after using this, you do not have to apply any sort of lotion because this does the work of lotion also. Now I'm saving some money on buying some lotion. So from day 1 to day 10 of using this product on my hand, the only difference which I can say right now is that I can see a little slight bit of difference in the density of the hair on my hand. The hairs are still here. You cannot see this from the distance, but they are here. When I'm rubbing my hand, I do not feel anything, but they are here. But the density has reduced drastically, and also I do not feel the pokiness of the hair. So the hairs are pretty fine. So the cream is sort of working on my skin, but I still have to use this more than a week. This method is a painless method, but you won't see the result instantly. You have to be true to the product and be religious to the product to see the result. To get better results, it says that you have to use this continuously twice a day for 3 weeks straight. Now talking about waxing and using this product, so I tested this product for 7 days straight. So day 1 जब मैं waxing करके आई salon से, I did not use this product because I wanted my skin to calm down, so I gave it some time to calm down completely. And the next day after taking shower, I started applying the cream. Again, this sensitive one is really moisturizing. Little goes a long way for this one. All you need to do is take a little bit of it, rub it between your palm to warm up the product, and then apply this to the area where you need to apply this. It will get absorbed easily to your skin. There is no such reaction as. Now talking about their claims that the hair will be lighter and it will be sparser in nature. So I can say that the density has reduced on my hand. For my legs, I cannot really see hair right now because waxing itself is a method which delays the process of growth on your hair, and you have to do it again and again after every 15 to 20 days cycle and spend the money after every 15 to 20 days. For me, it is 20 days straight. उसके बाद इतने पोकी हो जाते हैं that I have to get it done so that I can wear my short dresses. You know what I mean. So that being said, I haven't seen much of a difference on my skin. I have to use this product for 3 weeks straight, twice a day again to see the results. Then only I can judge the product and judge my own hair and hair growth cycle. But I will continue to use this product all over my legs and underarms. Also, they both have a really powerful smell. So if you are sensitive to smell, please use this product just a little bit, because as I said, little goes a long way for this one. And at first time of using this product, I used like hell lot of a product on my hand, and then I was looking for the area to apply this. So just use a little bit anyway, because this does has good smell. You smell good throughout the day, but the smell is not like a floral smell is not medicinal smell, but it has that different kind of a smell, and I cannot explain the smell to you. Not only I was smelling like this creams the entire day, my clothes were also smelling like these creams, especially with those synthetic clothes. They were holding up the smell of these creams, but they do not stain your clothes. And also wash your hand after you're done using these creams, which I used to do every single day. How and why this cream is working? Because they have anti-hair and pro-skin active ingredients in it. So here are the list of ingredients that it has, and the number 1 ingredient which I can remember and recall is papain. I've heard about this ingredient in hair removal creams. So papain is a plant enzyme derived from the plant papaya. It is a natural hair retardant. So it naturally attacks the hair follicle and delays the cycle of the hair growth. And rest of the ingredient, I really do not want to talk about it because this is not masterclass with Shalini. Okay people, what you can expect from this products. Number 1, it is not reactive. It doesn't have any parabens and mineral oil in it. This is all natural ingredient. Number 2, it is a long-term process and it is a painless way to get rid of the hair. And also because this is a post hair removal treatment cream, so for that anyway you have to use some sort of method to get rid of the hair. For me it was waxing and shaving. Keep that in your mind when you are purchasing this product. Number 3, they works as a lotion also, and they are very hydrating to your skin. Now I know a lot of you people will ask me, Shalini, whether you ended up using this on your face. No, मैंने face पे use नहीं किया है. So do not ask me any questions कि whether this works on your face or not, because I cannot say anything about it. Final question you will ask me whether this works or not. I cannot comment on that at this time because I've only used this product for 10 days straight. So in those 10 days, whatever happened to my skin and whatever I face, it's out there for you guys. Yes, I will continue to use these products every single day because I really want to see the result. We all have different hair growth cycle, and the growth of the hair in your body depends upon this imbalance of the hormones. That's a whole new topic and I do not want to discuss about this in this video. So with that, we have completed this challenge. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I always enjoy doing fun challenge and testing videos for you all, because SMA I get to know about the product and I can talk about this product and I can share my thoughts with you all. That's it for today's video guys. For more of such videos in future, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to test any other product for you or do a challenge video with the product, then put the name of the product in the comment section. So now I'm tired of blabbering and I'm feeling hungry, so I should go now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.